G'day, welcome to Chestnut Nags Tools from Japan. My name's Stuart Chignell, and I got back from dropping off the kids at school today to find this on the kitchen floor.
Ooh. Now let's see what we have in it. I'm expecting a bunch of knives and some other stuff. I was expecting that. Okay. That's a saw. Shark saw, 265mm. That's very nice. Oh yes, very nice indeed. Excellent folding saw. Tops. Because, you know, I can't find what I've done with my one. Bakuma blades. Now Bakuma is the first Japanese saw that I bought. A guy called Tetsuro sold it to me. Good guy. So they'll be going up shortly. Bakuma, if you didn't know, is Japanese for polar bear, or the literal translation is ice bear. So what we got here? Wow, that's in great nick. I might make this a keeper because it looks like I don't have to do basically anything to it. There's a little bit of corrosion, tiny bit just there, little spots of corrosion. Ow. Geez, it's sharp. Like it needs sharpening, like it's not sharp. But geez, it's not far off it either. Well, I am, and I don't have a little plane, any small Kana ready to use. I've got a bunch lined up to restore, but none that I've actually got round to restoring. So yeah, that's nice. Hope the rest are like that. Wow. Look at that. Shiny. Okay. Well, this one sadly is not in as great a nick. Chip breaker's missing, that's not a big deal. There's some divots where it's been clipped or something. But the bevel looks in better nick than you'd think. Well, this looks... Well, it's been used. Got barely used. Look at that. Fabulous. Crikey, these have all been used. They just don't look like they've been used very much. They're barely touched. Okay, this one's a bit older. But again, the condition is fabulous. A little bit of corrosion just there where the wood was holding it down. I don't know the name of this style of handle, but it goes with the Bakuma blades. Z Saw uses it a fair bit. I think there's a couple of other brands as well, like Tajima use it. Nice, next layer. Where do we start? Well, first oh, damn. Shiny. Look at it, brand spanking new. This looks interesting. What's next? I have no idea what this is. Nope. Still no idea. Now I know. That is stunning. Needs a little bit of work. There's a bit of pitting just near the edge there. So I'm thinking this must have been an old piece that someone's restored, but it doesn't look like it's restored. It looks, well, maybe. Some pretty large pits here, which will be difficult to get out if possible. But still very nice. And yeah, these look like they have been restored. Someone's put a reasonable amount of work into bringing them, making them prettier. Some very nice marking knives. Very nice indeed. Oh, very nice. Some gimlets and 2 more. All right-handed, unfortunately. It's weighty. Ah, not the best of nick. New, but yeah, the water's gotten to them. I'm a bit nervous opening this one because I think I know what it is, and I'm not sure if I tell you how much I paid for it. Wow. I was about to say I don't know what this is, but of course I do know what it is. And it's taking me an embarrassing long time to get some. Japanese squares. Look at that. And I got a selection of different sizes. Now, and again, these are a thing that I thought I'd get in, see if you guys want them. If they sell, I'll get more. If they don't, well, good Christmas presents, I guess. Ah, I thought these were more saws, but they're not. We have knives. There's a serious looking diva. Needs a bit of work. Cleaning it up. And we have another diva. Wait, that is old and chunky. And Yanagiba. Looks like it's lost a tip there. But that's still a decent blade. Oh, I reckon this is a good one. Damn. That's so sad. Look, it is a good knife. But it was a brilliant knife. The blade looks and feels like excellent quality steel. It's laminated, but geez, it has not been looked after. It's appalling. Just all the deep pits from the rusting. The ferrule's so corroded that it's actually worn through. There's holes in it. So it must have been, I don't know, if maybe a diver recovered this from the ocean or something. Serviceable, but we'll need some work, a lot of work. Ah, yes, I'd forgotten. There's 2 axes in here. Gonna have to hurry, that rain's coming in. It's not here yet, but it's coming. It's missing a wedge to hold it in place. That's why it's got a lot of slip. It's been beat to hell, unfortunately, because it's missing the whole piece of steel along here. It's not unrecoverable, but that's gonna take some work. That's a bit disappointing. Right, next. Geez, that's lovely. Okay, not sharp, but it won't take much to work up. That's damn nice. Damn nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, this is my last axe. Last axe of this box, not my last axe. Just the last axe of this box. Just got to be clear on that. Well, it is in better nick, but not much better nick. The blade isn't badly chipped. It's intact. There's a lot of corrosion on it. It's a very traditional fixing method the Japanese use from time to time. Unfortunately, the handle is knackered. So whether this is going to be any good or not, well, remains to be seen. It's one of those things you've got to clean it up and see if you got lucky or not. And that's the risk of buying stuff from overseas like this, when you're just basing the decision on photos. You can get some awesome stuff, like you really can. But sometimes, sometimes you can't, sometimes you don't. I'm a bit nervous opening this one, because I think I know what it is. And I'm not sure if I tell you how much I paid for it. Okay, it's a laminated steel hammer. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for this, but it was a lot more than $100. I'm so looking forward to getting a handle on that. It's got some real heft to it. It feels heavier than it looks. Now, I am actually going to put this up on eBay as a bit of a test, because I can get more of these if you guys are prepared to pay for them. Not cheap. Like I said, I paid more than $100 for it. Then I had to get it here and everything. There is a gentleman in America who's making them. He is charging $200 to $300 a head for his ones. Now, for more reports at the latest Kes gathering over there, he's doing brilliant work, not just hammerheads but plain blades as well. And I think I'm going to get one from him because, well, kind of I know him, and I feel I have more a connection with him than I will with the maker of this one. But this is cheaper than his. I'm not sure, it's probably similar to equal quality. Yeah, but anyway, like I said, I'm going to put it up on eBay and we'll see if there's anyone else out there like me who would appreciate a quality laminated steel hammer. Now, these are the duck's guts. A lot of people pay a lot of attention to their chisels or their kana, but talking with professional Japanese woodworkers, they say the hammer is more important than the chisel because it's the hammer you use on everything. And I think this is the second one. Shiny. Very shiny.
Are they more or less than $5 each?
Yeah, now just take note, peoples, the lack of reverence when she's holding them. Can I have them back, please? Oh. Go away. Rightio. So if I do say so myself, not a bad haul. The axes are a little disappointing, I'll admit that, but these weren't. These are lovely. It's cool to finally have some of these. The Deba are just exceptional. They're fabulous. The Yanagiba, not so much. They're a bit disappointing. This hammer, yeah, I think I'm going to love that. Saws, some really nice planes. Bunch of feather files that I'll be selling cheap because of the water damage to them. And the Bakuma, the Ice Bear, Polar Bear, Japanese saws. Top quality blade. Yeah, as you can see, I have boxes of them. So I'm going to be in stock for a little while. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to be sorting these through and getting all the working out prices and all that tonight. And with any luck, I'll have stuff for auction on eBay Tuesday night, I think is the 16th or the 17th. Oh, and stay tuned on this channel because the next video, the video I'm working on right now, is on my thicknessing jig, which has been a while in the works. I've changed the plans a couple of times, but I've now got it working brilliantly, and it's getting me some great finished, perfectly flat, symmetrical, even thickness material for things like kumiko and other stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'll catch you guys soon.